No!
Well,
Safe, Paul?
it might hurt a little bit. Bust his butt. Yeah, I think that's the only bad part. You bust your tailbone.
I'm scared you're gonna get hurt, y'all. This is dangerous.
It is. It's very dangerous.
Whose children are they?
Here are.
We did this when we were kids.
We did it.
We've been coming here
It
30
had a
years.
rite of passage.
So you know this fall.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we had a place in Elkhorn, and we go to the sinks, and people would drown there all the time. And so it scares me. But if you know it, that's fine.
We've been
It's
coming
still
here 30 years.
Okay.
None of us have ever broke a bone on this one, but my cousin did almost drown in the Nantahala because we used to tube it until they started saying, okay, you shouldn't tube
yeah.
the
Well,
Nantahala.
because of the sink,
Because
they would
the
get
sink
salt pulled in.
Hey,
Yes.
good.
We got
Turned under there, yeah.
done it one day.
Yeah.
We would come up here. We used to, actually, when we first started coming up here 40 years ago, we'd come up here to bathe because,
I'm such a big in Elkhorn.
because
everything.
there was nothing,
Your hair
you
was
had to
so
go to
shiny.
town to take
Right
a bath
there,
because there was nowhere to bathe.
Because there were no showers.
Oh, yeah?
There were like 2 showers.
Yeah, they get so mad at you.